Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy 2023. I know I'm very late, I know, I'm so sorry. But today I'm recording my first video for this year. As you can see, I bought this Ikea packs I built yesterday with my husband. I'm going to organize all of my makeup in my makeup stage. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, do you like it, and enjoy this video. Here I have all of my makeup and I'm going to organize everything here. First drawer, I'm going to organize my high-end palettes, and I'm going to use this. I bought this for Amazon. Beautiful palette. I never use this, but this year I'm going to use. Yeah, I'm going to put it here, as you can see. I'm going to organize all of my foundation, drugstore and high-end foundation. I bought these organizers here for Amazon. It's very good. Let's organize. First, I'm going to organize my high-end foundation. This foundation here, it's not good. I'm going to organize my drugstore palettes here. I have a lot of palettes for drugstore. Jesus. Never use this, and I have this one. It's time to say go. I'm going to organize all of my lipstick, lip gloss, everything for my
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,
first look like this. Basically, this is my high-end product, face product, liquid, powder, everything is here. Here I have my high-end palette. Everything is organized. Here I have my lip product and my lashes. Here I have my drugstore foundation, my high-end foundation, my concealer, and my liquid highlight and my powders over there. I have everything here. I think it's good. Another one. Here I have basically my drugstore products, my palette, drugstore palette, and my blush, highlight, and bronzer. You enjoyed this video. I love to record this video. I love my makeup station. It's very beautiful. I dream for this a lot of time, and finally I got it. I'm so glad. Thank you for everyone support me here and Instagram. Thank you so much for everything. To my channel, thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye!